4 ways to make a letterbox in Final Cut Pro.
We're gonna go to our project, modify, and in video we're gonna select custom and we're gonna change for 1920 by 822 if you wanna do in 1080, and if you wanna do in 4K you're gonna switch to 3830 by 1644
and press OK. The screen is not gonna fill the whole frame, but we can go to spatial conform
and type, you're gonna switch to fill. You can hold shift and move up and down. You're gonna have space to adjust the screen that you want.
This is actually the best way to do the letterbox.
Letterbox number 2.
We're gonna go to effects tab and look for letterbox. Drag on top of your video and on the border size just bring all the way to 10.
This is the most popular way, but I think it's a little bit heavy.
Letterbox number 3.
There is the crop section and you're gonna bring the top and the bottom even, so everything's the same size. I put 300 and 300, but you're cropping the video, so make sure that there is nothing behind.
And keep that in mind, if you want to do any adjustments up and down with your frame, you're gonna have to crop again.
Letterbox number 4.
We're gonna go to text and generators, open generators tab, and we're gonna see solids, and we're gonna grab a custom one. And a very important detail, make sure that you drag on top of the video that you're working with. We're gonna go in the effects tab,
look for mask, and we're gonna drag the shape mask on top of the custom that we drag on our timeline. We're gonna go invert the mask, and the radius you can do the size that you want. This is gonna be the letterbox. We're gonna adjust the curvature, we're gonna make square, fill opacity 100%, feather, make sure that it's 0 so it's very sharp. Click A and drag to the side. This way it's gonna look like a letterbox, and when you do transform, you're gonna be able to have a little space to adjust as well.
So that's pretty much it. Hope you learned something today. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this, straight to the point.